What's up guys, Derek here. Welcome back to the vlog. Just wanted to give you all an update on the soap. I've been getting a lot of questions in the comments, DMs, people wanting to get in line to order the soap. And I just thought it'd be easiest for me to address it all in a video here rather than having to reply to each one of you all individually. So here you can see the 3 different soap products that we're gonna offer here at Yeti PhD. All right. This one is a high oil content soap, high liquid oil, I should say. But you can see it's setting up very nicely. It's very solid. Okay, now this soap right here is majority coconut oil, interestingly enough, which is a solid oil, which leads it to be a very hard soap. It's set up very fast. And of course, this soap, it's the standard 1:1:1 ratio. It's really pulling over. Sorry, the video cut off on me there, but as you can see, this 100% coconut oil soap is really pulling away from the edges, and that's due to it being 100% solid oils. Now, additionally, we've also added some scent to these soaps. So you can see these top 2 soaps, they're going to come with a fresh citrus orange scent. And this coconut soap will be just the natural coconut smell, a fully natural soap. So again, I do want to emphasize that the palm oil used in this batch of soap is not sustainably sourced. It is unsustainably sourced. So wait another 20, 30 years, you might not even be able to get soap like this anymore because all those trees will be gone forever. So again, thanks everyone for your interest, and I look forward to doing business with you very soon.